In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kakobuy coupon. First, open your browser and head to the Kakobuy website. Give the page a moment to load so everything in the header is visible. Look to the top right corner for the profile icon. It typically looks like a small user silhouette. Click that, then select User Center. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so your coupons can be linked properly. Inside the User Center, you'll see a place to redeem a code. This is where you enter the coupon or gift code you already have. Type or paste it carefully, and watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end. If the code is case sensitive, match the exact letters and numbers. When it's accepted, you should see a confirmation and the coupon will appear in your account. Next, look for your list of available coupons. This section shows each coupon's value, expiration date, and any basic conditions like minimum spend or eligible categories. Take a quick moment to review the details so you pick the one that best fits your purchase. Select the coupon you want to use and click Use Now. This action gets the coupon ready to apply at checkout and routes you toward your orders. From here, choose the specific order you want to apply the coupon to. If you have multiple open or unpaid orders, select the one that meets the coupon's conditions. You might notice an indicator or updated total once the coupon is attached. When you're ready, click Pay to proceed. On the payment screen, choose your preferred payment method. Make sure your billing details are correct and that the coupon discount is visibly reflected in the order summary. This is a good time to double-check the final amount before you proceed. When everything looks right, click Confirm Payment. You'll typically see a brief processing step. Finally, click Confirm to finalize the transaction. After this, you should land on a success or confirmation page and the discounted total will be recorded for your order. If you don't see the discount at any point, pause before confirming payment. Go back to the User Center, verify the coupon is still active, check its conditions, and ensure the order qualifies. Also, make sure you're applying only one coupon if that's the site's rule, and that the order total meets any minimum spend. That's it. You've redeemed your code, selected the right coupon, attached it to your order, and completed payment with the discount applied. Thanks for watching and enjoy your savings.